Hello guys, this is Masuk Mia, a full stack web developer. Welcome to my YouTube channel, webcodecamp. In this series, I'm your instructor. Welcome to 100 days of JavaScript series, real world project. So I hope you will learn many things in this series. Let's start the video. Thank you guys. So viewers, in this tutorial you will learn 100 days of JavaScript series with webcodecamp. At first I'm gonna showing to you, I'm gonna discussing about how you will learn project based codes in this series, how to get the best from the codes. Actually I think when you learn something, then it's the to get the best from the course. Number one, be consistent, and number two, practice what you learn, and number three, modify your project. So number one, be consistent, like that you will stay with this course or another where you will get it easily you can learn, then stay with this course. Actually I called this like be consistent, and number two, practice what you learn. When you will learn something, then you will then you will stay with this practicing. And I think this is the main theme. When you will how you will get the learn something new, then modify your project. Actually when you will get something new project, then you will obviously you will get you will modify your project with the new code, with extraordinary and new design, new customization idea. Then you will can learn more. Actually uh, uh, I'm gonna starting the video on 100 days of JavaScript with series, a real world project requirement. Actually codes what is the criteria in this course. It's not for absolute for beginner, I think. How is it possible? And it's not only then anyone advanced designer showing to my show to my YouTube channel, then I hope you skip this video. Then for next step, requirement requirements like HTML, HTML basic, CSS and JavaScript fundamental codes. Previously you can gain this knowledge, then you will start this video. Project based codes, I think this is the this series will be project based codes, then beginners for intermediate. Then environment setup, I think you have to go to the Google, then charts VS Code, then you can download this environment code editor, Windows, then download Windows or Mac or Linux as like as your Windows operating system or Mac operating system, Linux operating system. Then you can again you have to go to Google, then write Node.js, download, click here and come to this page, and download whatever like you want. Download for Windows latest recommended for most users, then current latest feature. I hope as like you can download anyone. Then you can go to again your Google search box, then you can find, you can write git, just write git, then click here. So download for the Windows, click the download, then install the Visual Code Studio and set up Node.js and Git. This is environment setup in the for need in this course. So Thank you, everyone. Stay with the practically. At first, I think I will discuss a counter if develop.